Sorry about acting weird. I forgot. Yeah. I accidentally stopped recording. This girl's gonna die. Goodbye. No, I forgot. Okay. There's only more 76. No, that's hers. Close it. Dang it. No, I want you to die. Get out of here, girl. Get out of here. You noob. I'm the noob. We just gotta wait till it's nighttime, and then we can do the secret ending. So, yeah. This is actually gonna be the real video. The one where I accidentally stopped recording was the fakey. Fakey. Dun, 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 dun. Let's see if I can... Okay, it's not gonna work. Okay. It may work for you, but not for me. What's up? How you doing, boy? How you doing? How you doing, boy? How you doing? A few hours. Oh, how you doing, boy? How you doing? Okay, since the monster's there, hold on, I'm gonna wait right here. So since that I accidentally stopped recording where the secret ending is, it's right here. So I'm gonna stay here right now. Look right where those two seats are, and then you will not survive. Of course I am. Secret ending, boy. Hello? Okay. How you doing, boy? How you doing? Wait, how you doing, boy? How you doing? Oh, it's the monster? Wait, I'm acting fine. Hold on. I'm acting fine. I'm totally fine. Wait. I'm the monster. You died on an airplane like this one, so what do you want me to do? How you doing, boy? How you doing? What? Wait, your name's Ronald? Hi, Ronald. If you don't know who Ronald is, I'll show you. Maybe I'll show you. Fire! No, please don't put me on fire. Please no put me. Please no purple. Please no purple. Please no blah blah. Well, I have long lives. Well, that's the secret ending. Secret ending. Well, that's the end of my video, boys and girls.